What's your name, how old are you, and where are you from?
I'm Jasmine, I'm 20 and I'm from Pembrokeshire.
I'm Danielle, I'm 20 and I'm from Rhian.
Why did you audition for National Youth Dance Wales?
Just to get involved in more dance, and I'd done an open workshop with Rhian and Davina and really liked the way they worked, so I thought it would be good to kind of do a longer period with them, and also just the performance opportunity, it's really good, so get involved.
I've always wanted to audition, but unfortunately it's clashed with holidays or anything else I've done, so this is the first year I've actually auditioned, and I've always wanted to be a part of it. I've always seen like the posters in places that I've danced before, and I always thought it was a great opportunity and I would love to be a part of it.
So how are you feeling today after so many days in?
Absolutely exhausted. Like, we were both just chatting outside before we came in. Like, it's just overwhelming. Like, the speed that they obviously have to push us to get all the material and to get like the new work set. And then also, yeah, just having like traces at the end of the day, the rep at the end of the day is just that extra push. But I thought that the run went a lot better. Yeah. Like, messed up a duet with Danielle, but it's fine. But yeah, no, it was good. Just tiring.
Yeah, it's tough because the new work we're doing now, it's just a lot of experimenting at the moment still, and they're just creating a lot of material, and then they go in there and they're like, oh no, we don't want to do that then anymore. So we've just learned loads of material, and then they've just discarded it, and you're like, no, I just got that bit.
Yeah, like today we learned so much material and they just cut it and they're like, we'll use it another time, so who knows. But it's good though, because it means you're picking up skills the whole time. So.
What's been the best moment for you so far?
It sounds weird, but I really enjoy the technique classes at the beginning of the day. Like, it obviously gets you into it, but also, I don't know, when you just get something and it clicks and you get it right every time, it's good. So, and then transferring that onto some of their phrases that they've taught us has been really good, because then when you get it, it's just a really good feeling, isn't it? So.
Yeah, same really with the technique classes. You start, and we were all getting a lot of corrections at the start, and Errol would take a longer time basically going through class, but now we're just more quickening things up, and there's less corrections, and they're saying to all of us, yeah, the corrections are coming in your body and you're all looking so much stronger, and it was really good for on costumes today as well for the first time.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah.
How about tomorrow? What are you going to do with your day off?
Sleep. Sleep all day. Just sleep loads and maybe mooch into town. Like, buy some new clothes.
Get back into the real world, not the bubble.
It's like a massive, like we were saying, it's a massive bubble. Like the whole, like of our little crew is just completely separate from the outside world. Like just going back and forth to the studio like zombies, and then
we dance together, eat together. Then we go back to the flat and socialise together.
It is a lot, but it's good. So it'd be nice to be with everyone, but in a different environment. So it's kind of outside. Yeah.
What are you most looking forward to about next week?
It's the shows next week. The shows. Like,
everything's rolling into one.
Maybe not the shows, because I get really like, but definitely like the dresser and the tech and like it being real. Because at the moment it's still very much like outlines and just like like you said, experimenting. So it'd be nice to have like a set work that we can just like really fulfill and enjoy.
Just getting the work done and seeing where
it goes.
And see the material is brought back. That we've learned all day.
Have you found anything difficult past week?
Like the whole of it. Like especially picking up the material. Like I find it easier to pick up Rhian and Davina's, but whether that's because they've obviously taught for so long, they know how to teach, and not that the others don't, but they know where to highlight like maybe problematic areas. But yeah, just picking up so much material like really quickly. Like today I was really tired, and then Errol did something and he was like, so you got that? And I was like, yeah. And then he's like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I was like, oh god. But so it's good though, it's challenging, it's not that.
I found difficult when we come up with our own choreography and when we do the creative tasks. Then when Errol wants to use it in the new work, he's like, right, teach this to all the others, and I've never really taught before, so I found it difficult to like, because you've got to really
It's hard to put it into words, isn't it? Because you're always like doing
it's
it
just
through movement.
My choreography is just in my body. It's things that come natural to me, and then everyone's got their own style, and it's hard. It's hard teaching. Yeah.
It's good though.
Give me one word, apart from tiring, which describes your experience so far with National Youth.
I don't know. You go first.
Do you have to do one word? It's hard. To
Maximum of 3.
One word to just say.
It's been exciting. It has been very exciting.
Yeah. Just push the boundaries, let's say.
Yeah.
It's good. Yeah, exciting.
Yeah.
Exciting and push the boundaries.
Yeah.